In July, it's time to plant carrots. Do you know how to grow big, high-yield carrots? Today, I'll teach you 3 tricks to guarantee an abundance of carrots that you won't be able to finish. First, choose soil with a sandy texture. This type of soil is loose and well-draining, which is beneficial for carrot growth. A few days before sowing, apply plenty of organic fertilizer to promote strong root development and growth. Second, watering is crucial. From sowing until seedlings emerge, water 2 to 3 times consistently to ensure successful germination. During the growth period, carrots need plenty of water. Water them daily, ideally in the morning and evening. Third, thinning the seedlings. When they reach 5 to 6 leaves, thin them out to maintain a spacing of about 10 cm between plants. Follow these 3 steps, and you'll harvest crunchy, sweet carrots with ample moisture content. Follow me for more daily agricultural planting tips.